Okay, we'll start our practice today with a form of silk reeling called Tray of Teacups. You're going to start with your hands above your head, fingers pointing towards your forehead. You're going to move to the one side and spiral in a figure 8 across your body, pointing the fingers toward your belly at the bottom and then back towards your forehead at the top. Just breathe naturally as you move. Once you get the movement down, you can make it one continuous movement. Then we're going to go the other direction. So the goal is to keep your palms facing up like you're holding a tray of teacups. This one was hard for me at first, but that's why they call it practice. We can learn new things. And then we'll get a little stretch here at the end. Just lean your head to one side or the other, roll your neck. Just get a nice little stretch all the way through from the fingertip up the neck. So this one, you're just going to raise up on your tiptoes. Swing your arms. At the top, you're making a fist, and then you're flicking your fingers as you come down. Inhale on the way up. Exhale with a sigh on the way down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You're tapping your heels as you come down. Next, we'll go to compressing the pearl. So for this one, start with a chi ball in front of your lower dantian, just below the navel, and you're going to move your arms slowly up, keeping your palms facing like you're making a pearl just a little bit larger and then compressing it down. Quite a large pearl. And we're inhaling on the way up, bringing our center of gravity up, and then exhaling on the way down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. I was practicing at a favorite hiking trail and there was someone playing guitar nearby, so decided not to add music to this one. Now we'll stand in Wuji for a moment. Take a deep breath. And then we'll move into flying hands. So you're going to face your palms towards your body, coming up and then out in front of you at shoulder height, and then float the hands back down. So we're inhaling on the way up and exhaling on the way out and down. Inhale and exhale. And back to Wuji. Just breathe deep here. We'll move into Upholding the Moon. So for this one, we're going to lean or curve forward, bringing our palms, crossing each other, lifting up to the chest, rotating the palms upward, and then pressing out to the sides. So Again, we're scooping down below, bringing the palms up to heart level, making the flip there, and then pressing out to the sides. So you don't want to stretch as far as you possibly can. This really is more of a flow versus a stretch. So on that part there, you're just pressing out. So we're inhaling on the way up and exhaling as we come back down. Gonna lean forward, expand the spine in the back, and then when we flip and come back up, we're expanding again in the front. And then back to Wuji. Now we're getting ready for opening the chest. So this one is different from before. We start in that Wuji position, palms facing the ground. And as we're coming up, we are bringing our palms facing in front of us. And then back down to Wuji for a breath. Inhale on the way up. Lift your center of gravity up. Exhale on the way down. Connect with the earth. Expand and open the chest with an inhale. Exhale, back down to Wuji. Inhale and exhale. Stand in Wuji. Tuck your tailbone, align your chest over your hips. Pull your crown upward. We're going to store it over the lower dantian, bringing our palms crossed over just below the navel. And we're going to sway in the wind like a bamboo in the wind. This is a great way to end any Qigong practice. And the idea is to store the Qi that we've been cultivating there down in the lower dantian. Now step it out, circle the belly, coming up on the right side, down on the left. And then you'll spiral it in just below the navel. And take a deep breath and release with a sigh.